Wonderful fourth graders. Hello, hello. Good news. We've only got 3 days of work this week. I know you're probably really crying. That's because we all want to observe Holy Thursday, Good Friday, and praise the Lord, He is risen on Easter. So just 3 days, let's get started with subtracting mixed numbers with common denominators. Last week you did the adding. Going to try to keep it pretty simple here with the subtraction. Now keep in mind, as I do this, I'm writing on my trackpad with my fingers, so that's why the numbers kind of look strange. I'll do the best I can to explain it to you. But what you start with first is always make sure your bigger whole number is on top. And of course, 10 is bigger than 2. So for this first problem that we're doing right here, let me grab the pen. It's 10 minus 2 is 8. Then we look at the fraction part. Of course, we leave the denominator alone. And all we have to subtract are the numerators. 9 minus 7 is 2. But wait, we're not finished because we can, that's right, we can reduce it. We find a number that fits into both, and that would be 2. So we divide by 2. I told you it's not easy. Divide by 2, divide by 2. Now don't forget to bring your whole number over. So the 8 still stays there, that's your whole number. And then 2 divided by 2 is 1. And 10 divided by 2 is 5. So our final answer is 8 1/5. Let's try one that's just a little bit different. We're subtracting a 2-digit number this time. 5 minus 2 is 3. 5 minus 1 is 4. But then when we look at the fraction part, 4/5 minus 4/5 is 0/5. But we don't want to write 0/5 here. Really, all we need to do is say our answer is 43. I know you're laughing at my numbers here. I'm doing the best I can. Okay, next one. Let's subtract the whole numbers. 7 minus 4 is 3. Then I have 3/8 minus nothing. Well, that's easy. 3/8. I look at it and I say, can 3/8 be reduced? Well, let me try 2. No, when I count by 2s, I never get to 3. When I count by 3s, I get to 3, but I never get to 8. So I cannot reduce this down any further. Well, let's come over to the next one. 4 minus nothing is still 4. Let's leave our denominator a 9. 7 minus 4 is 3. And I say, before I go on, let's see if this fraction part can reduce. Sure enough, I can divide both of these by 3. And then we end up with, don't forget to bring the whole number, 4. And 3 divided by 3 is 1. And 9 divided by 3 is 3. That's 4 1/3. These are the more ones that are less complicated. We will be getting into ones that are more complicated, so enjoy these because they do get a little tougher as we move along. Enjoy your week, but better yet, enjoy Easter. Miss you, love you, hopefully see you soon.